Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to quickly turn off the night mode feature on your iPhone's camera. Night mode is the feature where if you're trying to take a quick photo and the lighting isn't the best, and you notice that once you take your photo, it freezes for a moment while it's capturing the image. While night mode may create a better image in the end, sometimes we just need to take quick photos. So to turn it off, once you have the camera app open, tap the night mode icon on the top left of your screen next to flash. If you don't see it, it may be because the image isn't dark enough to enable it. If that happens, just point your camera in a darker area or put your hand over the lens. It will then appear. Tap the night mode icon and a slider will appear at the bottom. By default, this will be set to auto. Slide the slider all the way to the left to turn it off. Now when you take a photo in a dark area, it will take the image right away like any other photo. And that's how you turn off night mode on your iPhone's camera. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.